Okay, so basically what happened was I was unplugging this elevator servo here, and oh gosh, and as I was doing that, the wire broke. So I'm just gonna replace that now. And it was actually already kind of acting up earlier. It was like making the elevator like flutter in a weird way, like it was still flyable, but like I'm putting pressure on it and it's actually totally giving way. So that's a problem. So I'm gonna just pop that guy out and put a new little servo in there. Okay, so we'll just open up the door. Up in there, the servo on the right is our elevator, so we gotta take that one out, and that's where the wires go. That was easy. Okay, there it is. Just grab that guy, pull it out, and there we go. There's our poopy servo with their split wire. Put some glue on there, on these, those two little things sticking out on the sides. And then it'll just pop up in there like that. Okay, just making sure I got the right orientation there. And boom. It should be hopefully glued on there well. Get a little piece of scrap foam. Just kind of clean the edges up. There we go, that's better. Alright, she's good as new. Boom, all done.